Hey everyone, welcome to Coffee and Crafting. Are you looking for that last minute countdown calendar to Valentine's Day and need a little inspiration? Well, in today's video, I'm sharing how I made mine using secondhand items from the thrift store. If you like DIY home projects, thrift makeovers, and home decor on a budget, then I hope you will consider to subscribe to my channel and join my DIY family. I hope you enjoyed today's video. So grab a coffee or your favorite drink and let's start. For this DIY, I have a calendar holder that I found at the Goodwill when I was in Bangor, Maine last year for $2. I'm going to give it a really good cleaning first, and I will be keeping the original wood as is. I have a small roll of lace burlap from Martin's. I'm going to cut a piece to fit the board. I'll remove the lace from the burlap and I'll save it for another project. I'll trim the burlap piece to make sure it fits properly on the board. And I'll glue the burlap to the board using a plastic knife to push it under the wood for a cleaner look. I have a really cute set of fairy lights with leaves that I had on hand. I'm going to glue the fairy lights to the board, and I was able to make 3 rows with the lights.
Let me feel your love again, 'cause I've been running round in circles screaming out your name.
I found a package of burlap for $1.99 at my local thrift store. At first, I thought it was just burlap, and to my surprise, when I got home and opened the bag, I discovered 16 cutlery holders. This was an awesome find. I'm going to fold over the top and cut the top part off, and I'll use those pieces for other projects. I have some letter and number stickers that I had on hand. I'm going to paint the numbers with the ink chalk paint from Waverly.
inside. Let me feel your love again. Just the two of us, and we could stay up all night.
When the paint dries, I'll add the number stickers to the hearts on the burlap from 1 to 14.
Staying up all night. Everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my hand.
Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. If you are new to my channel, my name is Lori and welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much for coming back. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I hope you will take a moment and consider to click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're notified when I upload any new videos. And if you can give me a thumbs up by clicking the like button, this really helps my channel to continue to grow and be recognized. And leave me a comment down below. I really love to hear from you.
Wanna be with, wanna be with, wanna be with, wanna be with, wanna. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. Let me be. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you, make me feel. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. Be with you. I wanna be with you. Be with you.
I'll place the pockets on the board, 3 per row, leaving 2 at the bottom. I added black clothespins to each of the pockets and will glue the clothespins on the burlap.
You had me at hello, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You can ride out all the blue.
I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away someday, someday. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and save you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend. And call me anytime when you're at a tight end. You, I got you, and you got me too. We can always make it through. What we do is what we do. I can take you anywhere, somewhere. We won't be scared.
You will see me flying high. I'm staring into your blue eyes.
I have a beautiful ivory flower from Walmart. I'll glue the leaves and the flower in the empty space beside the number 14 pocket.
I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and save you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need.
I have a piece of linen and some lace. I'll cut the fabrics into small strips.
You save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need it too? 'Cause I got you, and you got me too.
I'll separate the fabric into 2 piles and tie a piece of ribbon in the center of them to make a tassel. I'll glue 1 tassel at the top of the board by the number 1 pocket, and I'll glue 3 paper flowers on top of the tassel. I'll glue the other tassel under the flower at the bottom of the board. And to finish this DIY, I have some party favors from the dollar store and some chocolate hearts. I'm going to add them inside the pockets. This countdown Valentine calendar is so cute. It was easy to make, and it has a beautiful farmhouse shabby chic look that will be perfect for the next 14 days on my living room shelf. The lights in the background gave this piece that extra elegant high-end look to secondhand items that were used in this DIY. It can definitely be made over with different styles for other holidays. My granddaughter, Alice, is going to have so much fun every day finding a treasure and treat while we count the days down to Valentine's Day. I hope I have inspired you today with some new ideas for your countdown calendar for Valentine's Day. I want to say thank you so much for joining me, and please remember, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click that subscribe button before you leave today and the notification bell so you don't miss out on my next video. So until then, have a beautiful day and bye for now.
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't get